Set back from the main road with lusciously landscaped grounds, this urban carriage house offers 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 1/2 baths, and a coveted location. A fabulous open floor plan with soaring ceilings, a private patio, and charming stone pathways creates Eastside living at its finest. Step into the main entry where warm hardwood floors carry you into the fireplaced great room. A cathedral ceiling with an array of large windows showcases the property's greenery and floods the room with natural light. Elegant built-in shelving adds decorative allure as you move into the formal dining area and sleek chef's kitchen. Enjoy family time along its bar seating with stone countertops as beautifully integrated top-of-the-line appliances make light work of daily meal prep. A tucked-away pantry and convenient laundry allow for efficient completion of household tasks. An informal breakfast room lets you savor the pleasing landscape. In summer months, walkout access allows for dining under the stars on the bluestone patio. Back inside, a first-floor primary bedroom presents built-in storage drawers, a custom-built wardrobe, and a tiled ensuite bath with a generous vanity. A half bath completes the main level, while the home's lower level provides more ample storage and creative workspace. Segue upstairs to the second-floor suite, featuring a large living area with high ceilings, a lovely bedroom with a built-in window bench, and a modern full bath are the final touches to this amazing property. Breezy walkouts to local parks and the shopping and restaurants of Wayland Square allow for an active lifestyle full of new discoveries. Blackstone Park and the Narragansett Boat Club are just blocks away. Explore nearby Hope Village or the museums and campuses of Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design. Theater, fine dining, and sports events are enjoyed less than 10 minutes away downtown. Local interstate access and the Providence train station provide easy commutes to Boston, New York, and beyond. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.